Okay, today we're working on this Parlor guitar made around 1890, 1880. Got a nice one-piece curly maple back, also called fiddleback maple or tiger stripe maple, and a nice spruce top, most likely made in Germany by the construction details. A nice inlay on the fingerboard there. And the problem is the neck is at the wrong angle, which is why a previous repairman tried to lower the action here at the bridge. We're going to make a new pin too. This one doesn't match up. But these are all bone with abalone inlay. Same as around here, abalone there and there. And bone tuning machine heads. It's hard to show you the action here, but quite high. Yeah, that's too short to go from there to there. You'll see the action is too high to be very playable. So we will, what we've done is we've loosened up the neck from the back so we can cut that down and move the neck back and reset it, and then we'll have to re-inlay some purfling there. So what we've done is we've masked off the binding on the edge so we can get in there with our spatulas, raise that up a little bit, and very carefully chisel this edge here so it allows the neck to move further in. Of course, at the time, almost all the guitars were this size or smaller. We're not taking off a lot, just enough. We've already done a little bit of work here, so we don't need to do much more. Gotta have a nice sharp chisel. Now if you can see closely, there is a black line along here, which is actually dyed wood. So we'll take these off, and you can see if you look closely right there that we can now move the neck back for a better angle. Check it from here. Yep, looks like that'll be pretty close. And we've got specially constructed clamp just for this type of repair. Because you want to have equal pressure all the way across here to get it nice and flat. So, oh, I got it backwards. This is all leather lined on both sides. And that's how that will work. I'll get that centered. Tighten up the screws. But not until we've got the neck pulled back to where we want it. And the tricky part is you can't see underneath the clamp there to make sure that it's all the way in, but I'm keeping pressure on it with my shoulder to keep the neck just where we want it. And this is curved slightly this way as well as that way, so it perfectly fits the guitar there. Now we'll check the action by sight, and it looks like it's just right. Because we can sight underneath the clamp down to the bridge, make sure it's straight to where we want it to be. So the next step will be putting some glue in there, and you can see part of the label is still left in there. But this is a typical German style construction with a simple ladder brace. 3 braces this way on the front and 3 on the back, about the same position. So we'll spare you the video of us putting the glue in, because that's messy and it takes a lot of time. Get it all cleaned up right. And you can see the neck pop back into the old position after we loosen those. So that was showing that we had a good clamp. And we will use the same kind of glue that they used 120 years ago and beyond, which is a hot hide glue made from horse hooves and such, or horse hides, cow hides sometimes. So join us here at White Brothers Music for the next episode. We'll take the clamps off and see how it came out.